Bulls on a tear yet again. The euphoria in the stock markets continued lifting benchmarks to fresh life highs on Thursday. Short sellers forced to cover on their weekly F&O expiry day amid positive cues from the global market. Sensex was up 1.63% to close at 59,885. Nifty up 276 points or 1.5% at 17,823. The Bank Nifty ended the session higher by 827 points as well. Bajaj Finserv, Hindalco, L&T, Tata Motors, Coal India, some of the top gainers today, 3 to 4% gains coming in. HDFC Life, Dr. Reddy's, JSW Steel, Tata Consumer and ITC, the top losers. A mixed bag completely. The star performers were the real estate stocks. The S&P Realty Index gained 8.7% to hit a fresh 52-week high, with Godrej Properties, Brigade, Oberoi Realty all hitting all-time highs. The response to the Bharat Defence and Space Technologies IPO, which closed today, has been spectacular. The issue was subscribed a whopping 304 times. The retail part of the issue was subscribed 113 times, while the non-institutional investors portion was subscribed 928 times. The issue has a price band of 165 to 175 rupees, and the company is raising 171 crore rupees. Around 500 employees of a company turning crore-patis. Does that boggle your imagination? Well, that's exactly what a Chennai-based tech company has achieved. Freshworks on Wednesday became the first Indian software as a service company or SaaS company to be listed on the New York-based Nasdaq stock exchange, ending the day by being valued at around 1 lakh crore rupees.
While Prime Minister Narendra Modi was being greeted by fans on his arrival in Washington, D.C., a different kind of celebration was happening in New York City. Chennai-based Freshworks was being listed as the first Indian software-as-a-service company on the Nasdaq.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Nelson. Today is the realization of a major milestone for Freshworks. So I feel like an Indian athlete who has won the gold medal at the Olympics.
The listing was at $43.50 before the share surged 32% to close at $47.55, valuing the company at a whopping $13.4 billion. 76% of the company's employees hold its shares. The listing created 500 crore-patis in Chennai, all employees of Freshworks who hold shares of the company. 70 of them are below the age of 30. It was a dream come true for the founders of the software company, which was started in 2010. 11 years later, it has a large presence in San Mateo, the heart of California's Silicon Valley.
We are showing the world what a global product company from India can achieve. The fact that we are doing it first in the US markets, here with Nasdaq, it's truly amazing. I would like to say today is day zero for Freshworks all over again, and the beginning of so much more.
The co-founder, originally from Trichy, shares a common bond with lakhs of Tamilians. He's a die-hard fan of Thalaiva, a fact reflected in his homage to his idol. In his blog, after a visit to Rajnikant's residence with his family. Even the plan for his public issue was codenamed Project Superstar. Entire theatres in Chennai have been rented out for his employees to watch Rajini starrers like Kabali and Linga. The prospectus filed with the US Securities and Exchange Commission mentions Rajini as the co-founder's Manasiga Guru, roughly translated as mentor. Ironical, given that Girish Mathrubootham has first turned Thalaiva, or the top leader for the legion of his fans and employees. Bureau Report, Business Today.